Today's job is a very simple one, straightforward and simple. Insulating everything and then doing the drywall patch up and mudding everything along here so that it looks nice and smooth so that we can then install cabinets. We have our tools, our mudding, our insulation, our taping knives, and most importantly, our drywall. As you can see, I have just installed the insulation and now we are moving on to the drywall. Here we have a 4x8 half-inch piece of drywall. A little bit of fun around these holes, but definitely manageable. And then mud everything over here. Now that we have the drywall up, everything is screwed on, we're gonna start mudding. For the mudding, I'm using the topping light so that it's gonna have a smoother finish right away. We're only doing one layer since this is behind the cabinets. And as you can see, we are complete. Everything is mudded. It's a bit of a messy type of mud because there's a lot of holes in it. And instead of ripping everything out, we decided to just mud over it. And then we'll sand it most likely to make everything a little more straight. But right here, everything looks beautiful. Most likely we'll end up getting some foam at the end and filling up those holes. Instead of mud, we'll use foam. But other than that, job complete.